Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of sounding like a textbook? Do you want to spice up your English and sound totally current? Well, you've hit the jackpot. Today we're diving into the fast-paced world of viral English idioms, the ones you're seeing everywhere on Instagram or TikTok right now. Get ready to upgrade your English. We start with caught in the vibe. You've probably seen these in reels or captions when someone is just completely immersed in a great atmosphere. It represents to be fully enjoying and absorbed in a positive feeling, atmosphere or experience. It's like you are so in the moment, you are almost part of the energy around you. For example, we went to that new bar last night, and the music was amazing. I was totally caught in the vibe until they closed. Next we have a phrase that is the anthem of self-confidence. The main character energy. This is huge on TikTok. It stands for acting with confidence and a positive attitude, as if you are the protagonist in your own life story. It's about embracing your own narrative and shining. Like in, I'm going to treat myself today. I've got a lot of main character energy going on. Number 3 has been around a bit, but it's still everywhere and is still essential for gossips and juicy updates. It's spill the tea. This means to share gossip, secrets or interesting news. The tea is the information. For instance, come on, don't keep me waiting. Spill the tea about what happened at the party. This next one is all about honesty and authenticity. You will see it everywhere when someone wants you to know they are completely serious. It's no cap. It expresses to be completely truthful, not lying or exaggerating. It's a way to emphasize that what you are saying is 100% real. To demonstrate, this new cafe has the best coffee I have ever tasted. No cap. Ever encountered something that just makes you raise an eyebrow? This idiom perfectly captures that feeling. It's the side eye. It indicates a look of disapproval, skepticism, or suspicion given to someone or something. It's often a non-verbal way of expressing judgment or disbelief. To illustrate, her excuse for being late sounded a little fishy, so I definitely gave her the side eye. This one is all about where you feel comfortable and in your element. It's on my block. It stands for being in a familiar and comfortable environment, often referring to one's own neighborhood or community. It can also mean being in one's comfort zone or doing something one is good at. For example, I know the city like the back of my hand. I'm totally on my block here. And finally, we are talking about something that occupies your mind whether you want it or not. This idiom is extremely popular for describing persistent thoughts or obsessions. It's living rent-free in my head. This means to be constantly thinking about someone or something, often to the point where it's hard to stop. It suggests that the person or thing is taking up mental space without paying for it, hence rent-free. Like in, that song from the commercial, it's been living rent-free in my head all week. And there you have it, 7 common viral English idioms that will instantly make your conversations more current and engaging. Which of these idioms are you excited to use? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want more trendy English tips, make sure to subscribe to Cattaleya English. Thanks for learning with me today. Stay curious, stay current, and keep practicing. Until next time!